There is a term that quality engineers whispers about but rarely say out loud in official reports. It's called inspection theater, and it's happening in factories and facilities all over the world. Inspection theater is when the act of inspection is performed for compliance or appearance without any genuine expectations that it will catch and prevent defects. Well, the clipboard gets checked, the form gets signed, the auditor notes, and then everything and everyone goes back to doing exactly what they were doing before. Today, I want to talk about why this happens, what it costs, and how a small number of facilities have actually solved it. First, let us understand the root cause. Inspection theater does not usually start as because of dishonesty. It starts as time pressure. When a production line is running behind schedule and quality check takes 15 minutes, supervisors begin to do what humans do under pressure. They optimize for the appearance of compliance rather than substance of it. The first time this happens, everyone feels a little uncomfortable. The 10th time, it is normal. The 100th time, nobody even notices anymore. This process has name in behavioral psychology. It is called normalization of deviance. NASA studied this extensively after the Space Shuttle Challenger disaster. The engineer had data showing the O-ring were at risk and the cold temperature, but over years of launches where small risks were accepted without disaster, the deviant behavior, launching with known risk, has become normalized. Now let us talk about what this actually costs. A 2023 analysis published in the Quality Management Journal estimated that inspection theater contribute to between 20 and 35% of all manufacturing recalls in the consumer goods sector. Every major product recall you have read about, baby products, automotive parts, food packaging, has an inspection log that says everything was fine. The financial cost of a single mid-size recall average between 8 and 12 million US dollar. But the reputational cost can be 10 times of that. So how do you detect inspection theater in your own facility? There are 4 signals to look for. Signal 1. Inspection times are suspiciously consistent. Real inspections of complex products should show natural variation in time. If every inspection takes exactly 4 minutes, someone is hitting a timer, not doing a real check. Signal 2. Defect detection rates drop sharply before shape changes. If your data shows that almost no defects are found in the last 30 minutes of a shift, inspectors are mentally clocking out early. Signal 3. The defect category found are always the same. Real quality sampling should surface a variety of issue types. If the same 3 defect types appear month after month and nothing else ever shown up, inspectors are checking for what they expect to find, not what is actually there. Signal 4. Auditor always get a clean facility. If your unannounced audit scores are significantly lower than your scheduled audit scores, you have a compliance theater problem. focus on it. The facility that have solved this are doing three things differently. They are separating inspection from production pressure, meaning inspectors report to quality management, not to production supervisors. So there is no incentive to skip check to hit a quota. They are using statistical processes control in real time rather than relying on end of line inspection. And they are making defect reporting psychologically safe. Workers who flag problems are recognized, not penalized. The most dangerous thing about inspection theater is not that it exists. It is that it produces a mountain of paperwork that looks like evidence that everything is fine, but nothing in reality is fine. Has your facility ever had an honest conversation about inspection theater? Let me know in the comment and hit that subscribe button, because next video we are covering why ISO auditor miss the most critical defect 99% of the time. Thank you.